Remember this? Remember how this works?
Pima is getting ready for his first ride of the season. Oh, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Is that a big smile? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. There we go.
Uh-oh. Yeah. It's fun. Is it bumping down his head?
No.
Okay, good. Because that's another area where we may have to adjust it.
Yeah. Peekaboo. It's like your own little home. Hi.
You're a little kid, buddy.
Oh. Hi. Is your hat in your face? Is that what's going on? You have to keep the hat on.
We can take the hat off when he's under there.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, he pulled on it, so it's probably, here we go. Oh, did you pull on that? There we go. There we go. All smiles. All smiles. Da. Peekaboo.
Okay.
Peekaboo. Up we go. Whoa.
Oh.
Do you need me to help it up?
Nope.
Whoa.
You're heavier than you used to be, though. You're heavier than you used to be.
Yeah. He looks very unsure.
You're safe up here, buddy. You're strapped into Papa. The only way you go down is if I go down.
Whoa!
Okie dokie.
Okay. You guys go ahead and go through the door. That'll be the end of the movie.